Alright, we've got our head here, and we'll let our stick set up and dry. So we're going to drill our hole up through here for our string. I'm going to use a 1/4-inch bit to do that. You just got to you want to try to hit the center of that stick. If you miss it, don't worry, it's not too bad. So we're a little off center. We want to get more towards the center. So I need to go to the right. So that's about what we want right there in the center. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.